Hola muchachos. Hey, today we're going to talk about using a sand injection nozzle with a pressure washer to improve cleaning methods and to get a deeper etch on concrete without having to use shot blasting. So I'm going to do a sample of pressure washing using a sand injection nozzle. We have a 3000 or 2500 psi pressure washer. We have some fine sugar sand, not play sand, but a fine sand that's probably 2040 in mesh, using a Taylor sieve analysis for that mesh. This is the sand injection nozzle. This hose has a pecker on it. You put the pecker in the sand and keep the bucket of sand. Don't use a bag, use a waterproof bucket. You can put a top on it and cut a hole for the pecker, or you can just keep this away from the water, because if you have water in the sand, it won't suck it up into the hose. So the sand has to be kept dry. The sand injection nozzle is just a replacement tip. You can have a 0 degree tip or 15 or 25 degree tip for a pressure washer. You can also use the same quick connect type of connection to put in this sand injection nozzle. These sand injection nozzles can be ordered through Granger. They have them for about $100 to $200. You can order from Hotsy. You can also order them from, not McCoy's, Northern Tool and Equipment. Is that right?
Yep.
So they have them. So let's fire up this thing and see how it works. There are some sand injection nozzles that have adjustments on them so that you can control the sand flow. You want to move the nozzle in a circular motion. If you use the nozzle straight on, you'll carve up the substrate. You can write your name in the concrete or the stone, and that would look really stupid no matter what your name is. Because when the water dries, you'll see your name carved in concrete, and customers typically don't like that. So I'm going to show you how to move the nozzle in a circular motion, just like you're sandblasting. And the sand takes off more of the surface than the water would. Feel that sand going through there. If you get sand in the hose, you have to take it off and clean it out. If you get sand in the hose, you have to take it off and clean it out. Also, you can see the sand is flowing through the hose in this one. Joey's going to take a picture of the sand moving through the hose, and you can tell it works much better with the sand than it does without it. adjustment here controls how much sand goes into the water stream. So you can choke off the sand and allow a little bit, or you can open it up and allow a lot. Without this sand control, it really makes it less effective. If you want enough water to pull the sand through to make sand go at a high rate of speed, too much sand, you'll slow down the water. Too little sand, and you won't have any abrasive action. So it depends on what you're trying to do. If you're trying to sandblast and take off concrete, you can do that. If you're just trying to clean it up and make it even, you can do that as well.
Eso la falta. That's how you